What is up, guys? It's Kara here with another video for you, and today I'm really excited to talk about what we're going to be talking about, which is the first video I am making officially about my wedding. Since the last time I posted a video, which was 2 weeks ago, I think, I got engaged, and so that is what's been going on in my world. It's been very exciting, very chaotic, extremely busy with just planning and various details. I am telling you, you have no idea just the amount of tiny minuscule details that you would never think are involved in a wedding, but they are. But this portion of my planning, I have been looking forward to this part for ages, and that's simply because it involves the people that are really the closest to me. I consider them an intricate part of my life, and I could not get married without them. I could not do this day without them. And that is my bridesmaids. What I wanted to talk to you about is simply the way that I'm asking them and the box that I created especially for them. I wanted to give them something that was thoughtful, that kind of revealed a little part of my personality and what I wanted from them, as well as my expectations for them. And I was keeping it on a budget. I know there are some people that literally they go and spend like $30 just to ask their bridesmaids, plus they buy a bridesmaid's gift at the wedding. Unfortunately, you know, due to moving across the country costs and just the cost of the wedding, I was trying to keep it on a budget, and that's not to say I was trying to be cheap on my girls, but everyone understands almost all of them are married, or half of them are married and half of them are not, so they all understand. And so this was just an example of something that you can do if you are trying to keep it on a tight budget. So let's get into the box. First of all, let's see. I will probably give an overview shot of what the box looks like once it's closed. I bought these little photo boxes from from Hobby Lobby. And they're originally, I think, $5 a piece, but I got them for sale for 50% off, so I think they were $2.50 a piece. And I simply hand wrote their names on the box. First with pencil, and then I drew over it with a Sharpie, and so it has that faux calligraphy / hand lettering effect. And I'm going to be tying this up with jute and a little string of eucalyptus, and it's just going to be that simple, minimal yet classy feel to it. These are just the photo album boxes that you see on sale at Michael's for like $1 every other week. You'll see them sitting outside in stacks and stacks. It's like $5 for $5 or whatever. They always have those deals. I didn't wait for the $1 deal because I was really anxious to get started, but it's still a very inexpensive cost. If you don't want to do that and you want to do something a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller, they do have in the hand painting section, they have boxes that are smaller, as well as at Target I think they have gift boxes that are literally square boxes, so you don't have to go with the shoebox size. Getting inside the box, I have, let's see, I think I had it something like this. Something to the effect of this, where when you open the box, you can kind of see all of the contents. I don't want to tilt it because you can't see, but everything is just displayed really nicely, and you can see everything that is inside. I have their little gift, or their little card with the personalized monogram stamp that is going to be my married last name initial, which is P. And then again, I have the hand lettering name on their card, where I'm asking them if they will do me the honor of being involved in the most stressful and chaotic day of my life, because I cannot do it by myself. And let's see, next I involved a little personal size bottle of sparkling apple cider. These I found for sale. Let's see if I can get this to focus. There we go. I found these for sale at the 99-cent store, and it was just a little cute, personalized, like who doesn't love Martinelli's, right? That's like my favorite drink. I could drink one of these in like 30 seconds. I could drink an entire adult size, like family size bottle by myself in one night. They had the white grape flavor, they had the sparkling cider flavor, cranberry grape, and a bunch of other ones. They I don't know if it's just in California or if it's just at my 99-cent store, but they've carried these for a long time. So I have to ship these across the country because two of my bridesmaids are, well, three of them are out of state, but two of them I'm not going to be seeing before the wedding, I don't think, or it's going to be a very, very long time before I see them, so I need to ask them right away. So I'm going to bubble wrap these and just pray in Jesus' name that they do not break. Next, I have this beautiful little candle. It's called the Rose Collection from New York, and it's sweet almond and macaroon flavored. It's really delicate. It's really light and floral, and I found these at the Dollar Tree. And they only had 7 left, which is the exact number I needed. They're just really cute. $1 a piece, which was really nice. The other ones, they looked like they were from Walmart. They looked really cheap and I didn't like them. I didn't like the quality. My goal was to make this as classy as possible with a low budget. And this just gave the effect. It has kind of the pinkish color, the pinkish hue that I'm going for. So I have the card, the Martinellis, the candle, and mini succulents that were on sale at Michael's. Let's see, still have the price tag on there. I'm probably going to take that off. These were on sale for $1 as well. They were trying to get rid of their summer collection. And so I bought some various styles of the succulents. Some of them are in different containers, but they're all that minimal sort of look. And I bought them a face mask. I was trying to go for the sort of spa-ish effect, and what I wrote down in the card is like, you know, the next few months are going to be really chaotic, so let's just take time to kind of care for ourselves, just have a you day, have a me day. Those are the favorite gifts. I love to give those type of gifts where I'll just make like a little care package with a bag of tea, some bath salts, a lip balm, what are those called? The bath bombs, and a book and pajamas or a robe or something like that. Something that's just like a you thing. I don't like to give gifts that are material. I like to give experiences. So that's kind of what I wanted to do here. I gave them a Korean face mask. Some of them got the orange oil face mask, which is a energetic flavor, and some of them got the green tea flavor. Really nice, really nice, really nice. And then this is my favorite part of the box. It is simply, excuse me, I made this myself. It is a, I don't know if this is focusing very well, but it is simply a printout that says, my girls, your role, and then your dress. You pull it out and it has these kind of taped to a cardstock backing, and so I explained, you know, what your role is as a bridesmaid, what I expect from you, your dress, the things that I want you to wear. I'm allowing them to choose their own dress with my approval, so I'm kind of explaining the rules of that, like what they need to look for, what colors, and then the explanation of who's going to be in the wedding, you know, why I'm so happy I chose them, and how they can all get connected with each other because not all of them know one another. The last thing, the very last thing, is I handmade these cards from Hobby Lobby. I just bought them plain, hand lettered on the front. Oh, the lighting is really bad, I'm so sorry. And it says color palette, and it's just going into the different colors that my wedding is going to be. And I took all of these paint chips from Lowe's. I hand selected all of these colors. Hang on. Let me adjust this. Let me just fix this real quick. So I hand chose all of these paint chips that reflected the colors that I want at my wedding. So these are the bridesmaids dress colors, which are just neutrals, golds, and rose gold. And then the additional ones, which are the greens and the neutral tones. So each of them has already been invited to my Pinterest board. They already kind of know what I'm looking for, my theme, which is chic, and not chic industrial, chic, just neutral tones, just really cool, classy, minimal chic. I think that's what it was. It was like minimalist chic. So they all know what to expect. And so I think for all of this, I paid a total of $7.50 per girl. So let's see, $1, $1, $1, $1, $2. Overall, I paid less than $10 per girl to ask them to be my bridesmaids on the bottom, because I'm going for that green look. I went to the Dollar Tree when I was getting the candles and I was getting some other stuff for the wedding, and I bought this moss. This moss was $1 for a package. It has the white spots because stuff has been laying in their specific location, but the moss just gives that really delicate forest ethereal type of feel that I was going for. So I really liked it. Altogether, it could not have turned out more perfect. I had so much fun making these boxes. My mom asked if I wanted help or if I wanted girls to help me with these, and it's like, no, like, I'm really, 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 really enjoying the process of making these. So I hope you enjoyed this. This just gives you some ideas of what to expect, and something that you can think about and be creative. Like, include parts of your personality, parts of the girls' expectations, and the theme of your wedding, and try to conglomerate that into one package when you're asking your girls, so it makes it a really personalized thing. I know a lot of people, they just give the cards and like, will you be my bridesmaid? Or they just ask them, take them out to lunch, get them coffee, will you be my bridesmaid? Because none of them live close to me, I didn't have the opportunity to make it kind of like a one-on-one thing. I am waiting to ask some of them until I see them, which is like this month or next month. But overall, I wanted it to be a really, really creative experience, and something to show my expression of who we are as individuals, and who I am and who I will be as Mrs. my married name. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I apologize for the lighting. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.